Welcome to day 4 at ISE 2024 in Barcelona.
Bienvenidos a día 4 en ISE Barcelona.
Hello, Dwayne Rains with KeyDigital here at ISE 2024. We are in the HD-based T booth, 2P500, so come on by and see us. And we're showing a lot of our HD-based T technology products, and especially within our conference room in a box technology. But today we're going to show you a product that's complementary to all of that, because everybody wants wireless now. So this is our KD-BYOD 4K wireless presentation gateway. Here's the splash screen up here, and it's so simple to use. You can use PC, Mac, iOS, Android, and Chrome devices, all on the same screen can present. So all you do, if you have a PC or Mac, this is the BYOD. So if you have a PC or Mac, you can use the auto launch dongle, which has a USB-A and a USB-C connection. But it's not fully required, but it is that one that has the auto launch feature on it. If you don't have the dongle, or if it walks away, as we know can happen, you can just follow the instructions. And very simple and easy to use. So I'm going to show you quickly with my iPhone how easy you can get up on the screen. You just connect to the network that it's on, the wireless network. Do your screen sharing. And we do use AirPlay for iOS devices and KD Play for PC and Mac. And there I'm up on the screen, and I'll even start a video playing from my phone. As simple as that. So full frame, 30 frames a second video. And now I'm going to add down here my iPad. So, same thing, I'll do the screen. And in a minute, it will share the screen side by side. There you go. Come on, go away. Now, I will stop sharing my phone because I want to show you this next slide on the iPad. Full screen now, easily pops up. So I'll just show you the features. So like I mentioned, Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and Chrome devices, multi-presenter, as you saw side by side, up to 4 on the screen at one time. And you can also have up to 16 connected, and you can have a moderator. You see the little arrow here. So if this was a touch panel, you could pop that out, or you can simply put a USB dongle for a wireless mouse and keyboard and pop that out as well, and go into annotation and whiteboard capability, which is really phenomenal. The cool thing too is we have simultaneous dual networks. So you notice we have 2 LAN ports. It can run its own Wi-Fi hotspot, or you can connect to 2 Wi-Fi networks at the same time, such as corporate and guest, or in an education setup as faculty and student. So it has audio de-embedding with the 3.5 millimeter audio output. Plenty of USB connectivity for your devices, and just an amazing quality USB 2, USB 3, and USB-C connectivity. Here is, with an Android device, what it looks like. You do need to load the KD Play app from the Google Play Store for Android, but it's quick and easy. Here you see the 4 images here on the quad view, and so it's just that simple to use. Our amazing KD-BYOD 4K. Come by and see it with all of our other HD-based T products, like our presentation switchers, etc., here at booth 2P500 at ISE 2024. For more information, contact sales@keydigital.com.